Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making a nice beetroot dip. I was lucky enough over Christmas to spend some time with some family, and one of the nights we went out, we went to a Turkish restaurant, and we had one of those mezzanine sort of platter things, you know, to start with. And one of the really delicious things was a Turkish at that Turkish restaurant was a beautiful beetroot dip. So I'm going to make one here today for us. So to start with here, I've got a small bunch of fresh beetroot, and I just need to trim these up. Alrighty guys, so I've trimmed and peeled those beets. Probably should have wore gloves, because despite trying to vigorously wash that beetroot off my hands for the remainder of this video, I'm still looking like I've just been like on a murder spree or something. Anyway, it'll come out eventually. Doesn't worry me, but you may want to wear gloves when you do it. Alright, now what I'm going to do is just get it. I've got my oven tray there ready to go. Just going to get a bit of foil, and I'm going to individually wrap each one of those, put them in my oven tray like so, and I'm going to bake them at 180 degrees for about an hour. But in about half an hour, I'm also going to wrap 2 cloves of garlic and a little bit of foil and add that in as well. Alrighty guys, so it's been an hour. As you saw, I threw in my garlic, wrapped up garlic, about half an hour into the process. I'm just going to check my beetroot. Careful opening the package. Whoa, looks good. Smells beautiful. I just want to make sure it's cooked. Yeah, that's really good. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just unwrap them like this. Just leave them sit and cool down. Alrighty guys, so yeah, that's a little while later. Like I say, I just let my roasted beets cool down. I'm now bringing my food processor into play. So I've just cut those beets into just large chunks, like about quarter size. I'm going to throw them into my processor. And yeah, those couple of roast garlic, they're a little bit charred. I want them in. My chopping board looks like again a murder scene. I don't know how long before those stains will come out. Who cares? It's all part of cooking. Right, now a few more ingredients. I've got here 1 cup of Greek yogurt, natural yogurt. I'm going to throw that in. Where's my spoon? Make sure we get all that in. Now I've got here 1/3 of tahini paste, just the one you buy in the supermarket. you know, the sesame seed sort of paste. Throwing that in. Again, make sure we get it all out. I've got the juice of 1 lemon. I've got some ground dry sumac. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of that. And I've got some cayenne pepper, and I'm only just going to add a little bit of that, maybe half a teaspoon. Just be careful. Yeah, that looks good. And last but not least, just a hit of salt. We're going to whiz that up. Alrighty guys, so I've served up a pot of my dip here. As you saw, I've just sprinkled a bit of goat cheese, crumbed a bit of goat cheese over the top, and a few slivered almonds just for garnish, a bit of extra flavour. I've got some of these Lavosh crackers. Yeah, let's give it a go. You can see how like brilliant the colour is, you know, just looks spectacular with that beetroot colour, and always stands out. One of those mezzanine platters. Let's give it a taste. Honestly guys, that's one of the best dips you can make. It's just delicious. You can taste the beautiful roast garlic, beetroot of course, but that tahini is just coming through, the hint of lemon juice, that tiny little bit of chili, those spices. Yum! It's a winner. Nobody will be disappointed with that. And I'm going to sit down now with that and watch a bit of cricket, test cricket, which is currently on, and maybe a cold beer, and I'm in heaven. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel, really appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, can I just ask you hit that subscription button? That'd really be nice of you. It would really help me out. There's no obligation on your part or anything like that, but you know, if you don't want it, no worries. Thanks for watching anyway. Yeah, check out some of the other videos. I've got plenty, you know, 400 plus videos on the back catalogue, and heaps more to come. Alright, I will see you all next time.